All right, the goal is to ask a question, take an answer, and then do something with that answer today. So we're going to start with control. We're going to start with control and when click. Let's start with that. And go to sensing, and we have this ask a question. So when we do that, we can say, okay, what's your name? My name is Anthony. There you go. Okay, there you go. Okay, but where did that go? I hit enter. So if we want to see the response, right here we have an answer. So click that, and there's the response. It's stored like a variable. Answer is Anthony. So now we can do something with that. So let's have an if else statement. So if and else. So that is going to, here we go. Let's have an equal. So let's say, back to sensing, let's say answer. If answer is Anthony, we can say, um, why don't we just say yes. Oops. Yes. Okay, and then let's have an else. Have an else. How about if the answer, that's pretty much anything else. If you answer any other name, we can say no. All right, so let's try this. Hello, my name is Anthony. Yes. Let's try it again. Hello, my name is Sean. No. All right, so that sums it up.